Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone dialer, go to contacts and choose the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Now click on edit icon and click on add picture. So you can grab a picture right now by tapping on camera. You can choose something from your gallery, from Google Photos, or even from illustrations. It's up to you. I will go with photos, sorry. So now you can smoothly customize the picture that you wish to apply. Tap on choose and click on save. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see from now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, so this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.